State true or false. First one. 3 numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and the sum of the cubes is 4500. Therefore the numbers are 5, 10 and 15. So while solving this, don't go for that bookish method of let the numbers be x, 1x, 2x and 3x. Directly solve it. We know the numbers 5, 10 and 15. So take the cubes of all these. 15 cube is 3375, 10 cube is 1000, 5 cube is 125. Add them. 3375 plus 1000, 4375 plus 125, that is 4500. So the answer is coming out to be true. So this is true. Next, the digit in the units place of for a cube of 4-digit number of the form xyz 8 is 2. Means basically this is a cube of some number and that number's unit place should be 2. Okay, so cube root of xyz 8 equals to, the answer should be 2 somewhere. So remember the cubes, 10 cube, 11 cube, 12 cube. So 12 cube is 1728. So the answer is true because the units place is 2. Also, if you don't remember this, then also there is one method. Last digit is 8. Check the cube of 2 is 8. So always check with the simplest numbers first. 2 cube is 8. So this answer is true because if the number is 8 at the end of any cube, then the cube root will definitely have 2 at the units place, right? The smallest number by which 3600 be divided to make it a perfect cube is 450. Let's try 3600 upon 450. So it becomes 360 upon 45. So try this. 15 3s are 15, 24s are 3 1s are 3 8s are. So 8 upon 1. So that is 8 basically. So is 8 a perfect cube? Yes. So the answer is true. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for